What are you chewing? You chewing gum? Who gave you gum?
Is he chewing gum?
Yeah, Mark Anthony threw him his gum.
No, that was like.
Hey, what are you chewing? What is that hanging out inside your mouth?
He pooped.
Oh. Sorry, man.
Hi. So baby. Don't eat it. You'll
He's
get,
gonna.
you'll get cavities. Open, no. Open
I
up.
didn't want to see
Open
that.
up. Open up. Look. Oh. Stop it, you little fag.
I'm kicking the ball.
Open up, you baby.
Ow.
Okay, are you guys ready for your other part?
Stop it, man.
Show my baby.
Yeah, like he's like all like saliva foaming in his mouth.
What's wrong with him?
That's it.